anybody who's involved in this any kind of the crime activities, it has to be arrested and punished as per law.
Hakabe day bakading sya penyap yang ki arngot ki barjala isyamati bat kumjur apa moro ki pulut mutakila kam sangut ki dkhat jaga seng khasi students union. Kini ki sangut ki long arngot na seora uwi na thmai bat uwi pat na po wa indo. Kini mata baro kita na po kajing tokit jong ki pulut adin balayo jong bet na kajing bisa. Kani kajing sya keno bakading sya kam tang dikit khat jak seng ki asu habaja kajing sya penyap jong ki barjala. Kalau penbitari kini ngelam juga seng kentup ya ubah Donald Thaba ubah General Secretary bat ya ubah Lombok Star mangar ulang operasi juga seng kibala milang masenrani khot juga seng kibacakam makapol bara iki siapa yang bisa.
The killing of Pak Dosa Nyota in Chamati in the year 2020, yes, we have heard that the police did make some arrests and a large number of people are being summoned. But however, we used to hear news that nobody appears in court now, nobody appears before the police now because most of them have disappeared. So isn't it the duty of the police to track those people and put them behind bars? That is the question that we want to put to the government.
Will you take up the matter with the MHRC because
we are yet to decide on that. We will have a meeting. We are having a series of meetings and then we will take a call.
So for how many members of the KSU have been picked up and also going further, what is the course of action of KSU?
Total 4, 2 from Sora, 1 from Maulai and 1 from Wahindo. We don't know if the police are going to make any arrests yet, but we are yet to decide to take any action, but we would like to issue a very strong warning to the government that if it keeps on arresting and detaining our members, then we will be compelled to take action which might affect law and order situation.
Will you submit some memorandum to government?
No, we are not going to submit any memorandum to the government. The government should understand by itself about the situation, how the youths are feeling.
Senjia keba man kapua. Kita syak penuh syak berap ikut nak koi ke dia. Ini lah suya snap bagi syak bro sekata. Kidan kita ke agensi kiba jong sarkar la CIA la supit mat ikan dekat tu KSU amtang dekat jong KSU untuk ngisi ba la su mare perlu bantam samlah kasi andre la da jia kan nu ko jing kebot sa semulum juki kasi ngi ba kata ka an ngalap ong tapakla kan oksigen ini supaya kini kekerwo ke bahasa sarkar lada sarkar ketua ban tidak kai bat ketua keban aiding kun samla ko pri trep kita kiba bat kiba kam jong kasinsa kedar kuman sesim kecil kum kaseng nilai inti la sap untuk jadi kisnam ini jengjia kim long su kiba thmai bat kam semut tang bengi tren yiki isu ba per ki bakta ya kari ba jaj benrio bat kham tam bakta yiki samla wat kuli putih kam semut bengi tren sepang kita ba sem nok ba ngi long ting pengkiang ati sukuno put jaj gam baji ni sotu ki sat pengat tengdon an per di khot jong ki su ha inu nu jengja andrai tangkawai keseng kemai tua menong lada ka sarkar mak bleng tren kenang sarkar mak kita kulit gede syakri jong sarkari lada ka sarkar kadang tak setak hagi di si banwan ik sarkar sutu iban sejiang semua nim semla bam cekrut yo penuh kagam nim semla kwa patumi ino beri ura andai i ba kum sarkar pat soba banmi tai kultum keram ko macam apa ko kejingja harus sak penjap tunggu sai nyuta ko samati sanu bijak kita ki badan ti penjap ni somla la suong bala kem tak tangut la katangut ndai ngimtep sanu kiset impak jiil tang pedor kadar pat kumboyo cingtep bor kalong ba ibabun ibadun ti penjap ngurus saru dilajak ti pikat Ti kan kedai ke failure ujung government pakat namla man ai kata jing bisa bohong. Bleng akran kata kalong plan ke tu jengja samti pila I plan bagi video. Ira batiar batar. Andai ye ki samla kasih kentup ki dekat jengki isu. Kata ke jing subah bat la sultan bat sukarap bat sepengat na anu ter. Compare kamilai ngin sim lalong ret museum kerwo na kaliang juga seng buruk kawai samla jo ki isu kaliang kiring terap long scam long rangba kat beginang penterha ginang klani kat nang lai yasa ngin yasa bet nda tawa te petrol ke sarkar keding te pasutu hi ke sarkar tem pelip kunuh kum ta kapo ditang ta ka kerwo ke basai sarkar la dang ye tak ni sakmat reng jai penterha nda lakut ke jingi sa jingi ru nasrai kapo kan sabatai di berkoi
Henry na kaliang u MLA jaga seng BJP barang ru aga jaga port menteri jaga sakar MD uba elhek ulong baki nugi beri bale iki kam sniu di ban kembej bat nisang kot kumkaan aga jaga port angru baka seng sara Ahmad meeting jaga MD bakam jaga kabinet halo ding sya penyap jaga beriu haga jelah.
Yes, but only I know anybody who's involved in this any kind of the crime activities, it has to be arrested and punished as per law. The Chief Minister or the Honorable Home Minister, it is our responsibility. We will tell this in our MDA meeting. We'll tell this in the cabinet meeting. We have to tell, no? Why we have to be kept quiet? We have to speak for the betterment of our states.
We have
Election is declared, election is not been declared also. This stray incident, this individual cases, it's happened everywhere. I'm not saying it's not happened, but I'm telling you, anybody who is involved in a crime, it should not be spared. That's all only I know.